Can you tell me your name?
Pardon me, sir, you are not audible.
Can you tell me your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Ashwani Dubey.
And education qualification?
Sir, BCom honors graduate.
BCom graduate. And native place?
Sir, Delhi only.
Do you know about the CAPF?
Yes, sir.
What are the services in CAPF, you know?
Sir, the forces or the services?
Yeah, forces. What are the forces come under this?
Sir, basically 5 forces:
Yeah.
CISF, ITBP, SSB, CRPF, BSF.
Okay. And your preferences?
I told in the order of preference: CISF, ITBP, SSB, CRPF, BSF.
CISF and then ITBP.
ITBP, SSB, then CRPF, then BSF.
You choose ITBP at second.
Yes, sir.
Presently, you know, the India and China clash,
Yes, sir.
and ITBP is playing a pivotal role there, and it is a huge challenge. Are you comfortable to do this? Because you're belonging in an urban area and all this.
Definitely, sir. Sir, I have been preparing for defense forces since after my graduation. So therefore, I have put ITBP as my second preference.
That's good. That's good.
And apart from that, sir, once I visited Mussoorie, I developed a special favor for the mountainous area, and I wanted to serve at Siachen Glacier while I was preparing for defense forces. So naturally, it came from within that I want to join ITBP as well.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
लाला हंसराज के बारे में जानते हैं?
Yes, sir. Sir, Lala Hansraj was the follower of Arya Samaj. He was the founder of DAV educational institutions. He was the founder of Hansraj College, and he played a very pivotal role in spreading the Anglo-Vedic education.
आपकी हॉबी है लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक?
Yes, sir.
सुनते हैं?
Yes, sir.
किस प्रकार की म्यूजिक?
Sir, Bollywood songs and some Cox audio music.
बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग आप सुनते हैं?
Yes, sir.
कैसे सॉन्ग अच्छे लगते हैं?
Sir, depends upon the mood. Sometime in the party mood we listen to party songs, but generally after long hours of study I listen to soft music.
सबसे पसंदीदा सॉन्ग?
Sir, अभी मुझ में कहीं by सोनू निगम.
सोनू निगम.
Yes, sir.
इसे कंपोज किसने किया?
Sir, प्रीतम.
आपका सब्जेक्ट क्या था?
Sir, BCom honors. Sir, with your permission, can I remove this shield?
Yeah, sure. Communication.
Thank you, sir. It was getting foggy.
yeah, I can understand because same thing happened with me.
बीकॉम ऑनर्स.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन बीकॉम ऑनर्स का सीएपीएफ में क्या योगदान है?
Sir, in BCom honors we study various subjects like management, leadership, training, and these things are very much applicable because they are pervasive in nature. Being a company commander, we have to manage our company. We have to provide them on the job as well as off the job training. We have to consistently motivate them, and we have also study about the various techniques, various motivational theories, so I can apply that. And one more thing, that there is a problem of attrition in the CAPFs, and one of the reasons is their financial problems. I can guide them in their financial situations, and that problem could be solved.
अच्छा, रिसेंट में नोबेल प्राइज दिया गया है.
Yes, sir.
इसका किसको दिया गया है?
Sir, World Food Organization.
ये क्या है?
Sir, it is a part of UN, and its main objective is to provide food stability in various conflict-ridden and war-ridden zones like Syria, Sudan, etc. And it plays a pivotal role in preventing the use of hunger as a weapon of war.
येलो वेस्ट मूवमेंट काफी चर्चा में रहा था.
Yellow waste movement.
पढ़ा होगा तुमने.
I have not come across this, sir.
न्यूज़पेपर पढ़े हैं?
Yes, sir.
कौन से?
Indian Express.
इंडियन एक्सप्रेस. हेडलाइन क्या थी?
Sir, today's headline. Sir, the government has decided to waive off the interest and another was of the PM Modi's yesterday's conversation with the country of India.
अच्छा, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस के चीफ एडिटर अभी कौन है?
Sir, Shri Rajkamal Jha.
राजकमल झा। Editor?
As far as I have read, I am sure, sir. I may be wrong as well.
श्योर नहीं हो। टीचिंग आपकी हॉबी है,
Yes, sir.
टीचिंग करते हैं?
Yes, sir. Sir, I give home tuitions.
अच्छा। अब दिल्ली से हैं।
Yes, sir.
दिल्ली में आप सबसे बड़ी समस्या क्या देखते हैं?
Sir, it would be unfair to say only one big problem, but there are many problems. Firstly, pollution. Secondly, the population. Thirdly, the traffic congestion. And up till recently, crime was also one of the major issues. But if I were to rank these problems, I would say pollution is the biggest problem.
अच्छा।
Let me I put you a situation.
Yes, sir.
You are in Dantewada,
Yes, sir.
suppose, and in CRPF, and you make a ambush, and you're heading it. You know heading?
Yes, sir.
You have chance to kill 2-3 Naxal peoples, and have to be catch. What you will do? If you're going to catch, there is a chance of life threatening, and your soldiers also maybe lose their life. If there is a chance, what do you have your action to take?
Sir, I will do a cost benefit analysis. I will see what are the chances of having a casualty on my side, and along with that, what are the chances of catching that Naxalite. So if the chances are favorable, then I will definitely catch him. But if not, then definitely.
I'm saying it is possible to you lose your some casualties. You have some casualties. It is not sure, but you will take action.
Sir, I will try to grab him, but as a company commander, I will be concerned about my personnel as well. If the threat is not much, I will kill him. I will catch him. Otherwise, I will kill him.
I think first you have responsibility of being a company commander to save your soldiers. Then you will have the chance to catch him. But I think.
Yes, sir.
And you know about the Samadhan?
Yes, sir.
What is?
Sir, it is an umbrella scheme.
Okay. Under which ministry?
Sir, under Ministry of MHA and under the Naxalite division,
Okay. Yeah.
LWE division.
Yeah.
It aims to basically curb the menace of Naxalism in India. It aims to reduce the Red Corridor and ultimately finish the LWE in India.
Good. There is some other things to develop that area, education and all that. Is it work in remote areas or Naxalite area, Red Corridor area?
Sir, the Red Corridor area is first of all there are many challenges like difficult terrain. So these things are very difficult to approach there. But according to annual report of MHA, these things are working. Various schools are being set up like Kendriya Vidyalaya, Navodaya Sarvodaya Vidyalaya, and various
Most of the teachers
ITIs.
are not going to teach there. You have
Yes.
many times I read this.
Yes, sir.
case.
Sir, this is an issue, but I have also heard of the news that some company commanders, sub-inspectors and inspectors
That's
of
good. That's good. That's a good
CAPF are employing themselves to teach them. And moreover, as teaching is my hobby, I can use my skills to teach
You
them
go to
as
teach
well.
and you do something like that.
Definitely, if I get a chance, I will definitely teach.
सुनी निरंकारी कॉलोनी में आप
Yes, sir.
निरंकारी के बारे में जानते हैं?
Yes, sir.
क्या है?
Sir, it is an
उनका मूल बताइएगा।
Yes, sir. Sir, it is an charitable organization. It is not a religious organization. Its main aim is to provide God realization through the way of self-realization. They undertake various activities like social welfare activities, community welfare, and I have been associated with this organization.
अच्छा, ये अगर कहा जाए कि सिख धर्म और निरंकारी ये दोनों लगभग इक्वल हैं, मेन डिफरेंस
Sir, I would like to disagree with your statement. The Nirankaris are not equivalent to the Sikh Dharma. They are basically not any religion, and they are also not any sect out of the Sikh religion. They believe in a living guru who imparts the teachings. But recently there have been some clashes among the extremist Sikh groups. Again, I am saying extremist Sikh groups, not the general, because of some ideological differences. But those could be solved via talks.
अच्छा ठीक है। अक्सर हम न्यूज़ में पढ़ते हैं लेफ्ट विंग राइट विंग,
Yes, sir.
इन दोनों में मेन डिफरेंस क्या है?
So firstly, there are some ideological differences. The left wing tries to bring a radical change through violent means, and the right wing subscribes to the neo-Nazi and Nazi ideologies. And the modus operandi is
Not
also
exactly Nazis. Right wing is not Nazis.
yes. And the modus operandi is also different. The left LWE people are basically involved in guerrilla warfare, but recently we have seen many lone wolf attacks, and those people subscribe to right wing ideology. For example, there were some attacks in New Zealand last year, and those were attacked by, done by some right wing influenced people.
मेन इनके प्रिंसिपल में क्या अंतर होता है?
I think I lack insight into this. Sorry, sir.
क्योंकि एमसीपी भी लेफ्ट है,
Yes, sir.
हमारे यहाँ कई पार्टियां हैं जो लेफ्ट विंग हैं,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, इनको तो हम नहीं कह सकते कि ये गलत है या कुछ भी है, जो भी हो।
Sir, there is no.
आइडियोलॉजी में मेन क्या अंतर होता है?
Yes, sir. Sir, as such, being left wing is not a problem. Being an extremist is a problem. Whether right wing or left wing, the left wing people, the ideological people, basically are more socialistic, and they give importance to various ideas such as freedom of speech, freedom of expression, equality, such things.
सपोज दैट सुनिए, आप मान लीजिए कहीं पे एसी हैं, आपको कहीं निकलना है,
Yes, sir.
ठीक, मोमेंट पर आपकी कंपनी जा रही है,
Okay, sir.
कंपनी खड़ी है, एक कांस्टेबल है जो आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा खुश नहीं रहता, किसी बात पर रोना रहा है, आपको सबके सामने थप्पड़ मार दिया,
Okay, sir.
उसके बाद तुरंत आप एक्शन क्या लेंगे? क्योंकि आपको मूव करना है तो टाइम कम है।
Sir, he definitely will get some disciplinary action because he has attacked his company commander. But immediately, since I have to complete my operation, I will take him into custody and then proceed to my operation, and then afterward I will take action upon him.
ठीक है, समय को बुलाते हैं।
Thank you, sir.